Deciding between a brand new build and a pre-owned home is one of the toughest choices you will face because both come with massive trade-offs that go far beyond just the price tag. Welcome back to the Savvy Homebuyer, where we help you navigate the market with confidence. Today we are settling the battle of new construction versus resale to help you decide which path is right for your wallet and your lifestyle, starting with energy efficiency. New homes are built to modern codes with better insulation and windows, which can save you hundreds a month in utility bills, whereas an older home might bleed cash through drafty doors and an ancient HVAC system. However, existing homes often come with established neighborhoods, mature landscaping, and better locations closer to the city center, while new builds are often pushed to the outskirts, meaning a longer commute. You also need to consider the timeline, because a resale home can close in 30 days, but a new build can face weather delays and supply shortages that leave you in limbo for months. So weigh these factors carefully and subscribe for more expert advice to find your perfect home.